Multiplying numbers just above 10, an easy way to calculate numbers multiplying just above 10. Multiplying numbers just above 10, let us try it for 13 into 15. We can use 10 as a reference number. Let us try this example. Write down 13 into 15. Both 13 and 15 are above the reference number 10. 13 is more than 10 and 15 is more than 5. We have to draw two circles above the numbers. How much above 10 are they? 13 is more than 3 to 10 and 15 is more than 5 to 10. So, we have to write plus 3 and plus 5 in those circles. So, we have to write plus 3 and plus 5 in these two circles. We now go crossways. We have to add 15 plus 3 or 13 plus 5. Both will give us 18. Write down 18 like this. We have to add 15 plus 3 or 13 plus 5 crossway and get 18 here. We write it 18. Then we have to multiply the 18 by our reference number 10. So, 18 into 10 will get 180. So, 18 will be multiplied with 10 and will get 180. Now, we have to multiply the numbers in the circles. Plus 3 into plus 5, which gives us 15. We have to multiply these two numbers, plus 3 into plus 5, which gives us 15. Add 15 to 180 and we get 195 is the answer. So, 13 into 15 is equal to 195. Seems to be this is difficult one, but if you practice with some examples, this is the most easiest way. You can calculate 13 into 15 in your mind within 5 seconds. This is the easiest way. Note, if the numbers we are multiplying is above the reference number, we put the circles above the numbers. If the circled numbers is above, we add diagonally. The numbers in the circle above are plus numbers. Another note, if the numbers is below the reference numbers, we put the circles below. If the circle numbers is below, we subtract diagonally. The numbers in the circle below are minus numbers. Which method do you think is easier? This method or you learn in your school? I definitely think this is the easiest method. Let us try another one about 12 into 17. Let us do these numbers. 12 into 17. The numbers are above to our reference number 10. So, we have to draw circles above the numbers. Draw the circles about 12 and 17. 12 is more than 2 to 10 and 17 is more than 7 to 10. So, we have to write plus 2 and plus 7 in the circles. Now, take away crossways. 17 plus 2 or 12 plus 7, which gives us 19. You can add, you can do either 17 plus 2 or 12 plus 7, both give same answers. So, 17 plus 2 will give us 19. We have to write down like this. We now multiply 19 by our reference number 10. So, it will give us 190 or simply put 0 besides 19. So, our reference number is 10. So, we have to multiply 19 with 10, we get 190. Now, multiply the numbers in the circle. Plus 2 into plus 7. These are the two numbers in the circle. Plus 2 into plus 7, which gives us 14. We have to add this 14 to previous calculation 190. So, add 14 to 190, which gives us 204. So, 12 into 17 is equal to 204. So, final answer is 204. If you practice this, you can do easily. Hope you understand. Practice some examples, you will do it with more ease. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please share it with your friends. Thank you.